Microglow microneedling with the lovely Corey right here. Hi. We have our beauty lights, obviously, and I'm excited to try it. But before we begin, Corey here is going to explain us everything about the procedure and the treatments, so I'm excited.
So hello everyone, I'm Corley Palick. I'm from Glow Aesthetics, and I'm going to be doing a treatment on Kat using the AquaGold Fine Touch. This is the device, and we have a custom-made serum here. So this is all together the Microglow Facial, and what it is it delivers this special serum that has a combination of Botox, Juvederm, vitamins, and it's delivered through these microneedles that will simultaneously be doing microneedle treatment. So what will happen is Kat will have the benefit of the microneedling, which after the body starts to heal from that, collagen is built up, and we all know the benefits of collagen. In addition to that, because this special serum is going to be delivered through the needles, she's going to get an immediate boost to her skin for the next couple of weeks from the ingredients. Now Botox, what we see is that there's a shrinking in pores, there's also a tightening of the skin. The Juvederm will give her some hydration and some plumping, and then the vitamins will just kind of give her that overall glow.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, I can't wait, so stay tuned.
You know, and again, because this is not going so deep, it's safe to do all like right under the eyes.
Great.
You know,
So let's
with
do
any
that.
of this other stuff, you wouldn't want to go that close,
Yeah.
right? But with this, you can't.
Oh, that's cute.
it.
Yeah, so that's like a punch. Okay.
So you can see the serum.
Ooh, that's fun. Oh yeah, get in there. And this is for the pores, right?
Yeah.
So it's just like a pinch. It doesn't hurt at all.
This particular device was actually used by Kim Kardashian, puts it on her thing a lot. She used it the day or two before the Met Gala.
The aqua.
The aqua, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
aqua gold, fine touch, and then with a similar serum in it. Yeah, I know, right? Boosted their business, I'm sure. Okay, so you want a little bit on your neck?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
A lot of people say the neck kind of like tickles a little bit, so just let me
Don't
know
worry.
if it's...
I'm fine. It's easy.
So the procedure is done. Kat has a little bit of redness that will last maybe about 15-20 minutes depending on your individual skin. And then after that, she'll just feel nice and refreshed. The serum should stay on the skin at least 5 hours or so. What's great is I do a lot of these treatments in the evening, so I usually tell my clients to just leave it on, sleep with it on, and then don't wash your face until the morning. So these aftercare procedures are a lot easier than with your traditional Botox and filler. I tend to have a lot more rules with those. So people are always nervous that there's going to be similar rules with this treatment, but there's really not. There's not a lot of downtime. Just leave the serum on, let it soak in, and then wash your face in the morning.
So that was fun, and this is my skin right after the treatment. So it is a little bit like red and has tiny bumps to it, but nothing crazy, nothing too major. It should go away in a couple of minutes or hours, and I'm excited to continue watching the progress. It was so much fun, painless, and Corey is just super nice and so pretty.